This is 11.4 quiz, 11.4 to, 11.1 to 11.4 quiz review. All right. In order to do anything, I need to find, this is finding the surface area. So I need to find this side, this missing side. So on this one, I'm going to do it the quick way. You use a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and always remember the hypotenuse is c. So this one, I'm going to do it the quick way. Take the square root of 15 squared plus 8 squared, because I need to find my hypotenuse. If I didn't need to find the hypotenuse, then I would subtract. So that's going to give me 17 when I do that. So this missing side over here is 17. So the triangle, finding the areas of the triangles are going to be, is that 8 or 18? 8 times 15, because here's the right angle, so the base and the height always form a right angle, divided by 2 times 2 of them, the top and the bottom. So those cancel each other out. So 8 times 15 is going to give me 120. The left side is going to be 8 by 8, because going straight up and down, this is 8. So 8 by 8, which is 64. The right side, which is back here, is going to be 15 by 8. 15 by 8, which is 120. And then the front or the bottom, whichever one you want to call it, is going to be 17 by 8, which is going to give me 136. Adding them all together, I get 440. Next problem. Again, I need to find the missing side. So square root of 9 squared plus 12 squared is going to give me 15. So the missing side is 15. So looking at my two triangles, 9 times 12 times 2 divided by 2. These cancel. So 9 times 12 is 108. Backside is going to be 9 by 16. That's the same size. So 9 by 16, which is 144. Front is going to be 16 by 15. 16 by 15, which is 240. And the bottom is 12 by 16, which is that's 16, yeah. 12 by 16. Which is 192. Add it all together. 108 plus 144 plus 240 plus 192 gives me 684. And the next one, again, finding the missing side, which this time, this is 10, so the missing side is over there now. So the square root of 10 squared minus 6 squared is going to give me 8. So the missing side is 8. Again, I subtracted because I know my hypotenuse. So 6 times 8 divided by 2 times 2. These cancel, so 48. The left side is going to give me 6 by 9. 6 by 9, which is 54. The right side, which is 8 by 9, which is 72. And the front is 10 by 9, which is 90. Adding all these together gives me 264. Next one. When you really look at it, that's volume. Never mind. Top and bottom is going to be 5 by 8 by 2. 5 by 8. Left and right. 5 by 8 by 2 is going to give me 80. 10 times 8. Okay. Left and right. So that's 3 by 5 by 2. 3 by 5 is 15, so that's 30. And then left and right, and then front and back. So front and back is going to give me 8 by 3 by 2. 24 times 2 is 48. Adding these all together is going to give me 158. All right, on these, I'm going to have to find the height of this triangle. So this side is 3, this is going to be 1.5, and this is going to be my A. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. A squared plus 2.25 is going to equal 9. Subtract 2.25 from both sides. A squared is going to equal 6.75. Take the square root of both sides. So A is going to equal 2.6. The triangle is going to be 3 times 2.6 divided by 2. It's going to give me, and then times 2. So that's going to give me 7.8. And the sides are going to be 9 by 3, and I have 3 of them. 9 by 3, and I have 3 of them, so that's going to give me 81. And then adding these two together is going to give me 88.8. And I ran out of room for this one. Maybe I can put it here. Top and bottom is going to be 2 by 3. 2 by 3 by 2. So 6 times 2 is 12. Left and right is going to be 2 by 7 by 2. 14 times 2 is 28. And then front and back is going to be 7 by 3 by 2, which is 42. Add them all together, I get 82. Last ones. Top and bottom. 12 by 12 by 12. 288. Left and right. 12 by 12 by 12. 288. Front and back. 12 by 12 by 12. Oops. 12 by 12 by 2. Sorry about that. All right, so 12 by 12 is 144 and 140. So, yeah, 288, 288, and 288. So add them all together and get 864.